Hello everybody. Today's tutorial shows how to set the sensitivity calibration. This calibration should be realised after the velocity and the wedge delay calibration, but before the ACG calibration is performed. The purpose of this calibration is to level the signal response of the reflector for all the angles at the same reference level. To achieve this calibration, you are going to need a VO Plus or Prisma instrument, a phased array probe and a reference block. We are still in the same setup as the previous calibration video, and we are going to select the sensitivity wizard. As a reference reflector, you can choose from 3 different kinds of geometry, either a radius, a thickness or a side drilled hole. For this calibration block, we will be using the radius geometry. To make the calibration easier, we suggest you put the signal amplitude slightly under the reference level. The next step is to set the extracting box dimensions, making sure that all the signal is within the box. Once the radius has been swept completely, we can easily see that some angles have higher responses than others. The reference is set at 80% and the tolerance at 5%, which is good because the signal response is already close to the value. Before recording the signal, or if a mistake occurs, we can reset the envelope before applying the sensitivity. Once the envelope has been recorded, we can apply the sensitivity gain correction to the signal. At this stage, we recommend you do a validation of the signal correction. We can now see that the signal for the 60-degree angle is slightly off tolerance. If this occurs, we need to sweep again the reference and reapply the sensitivity correction until the signal is within the expected tolerance. Once the wizard has been completely successful, we can confirm that the signal amplitude response is 80% for all angles once maximised. We hope this tutorial has been useful. Thank you for being with us.